Hi, my name is Dan Peterson, and I work with Southwest Housing Solutions. We're a nonprofit here in Southwest Detroit. We have been doing development work in this neighborhood for about 20 years, restoring old buildings. And our relationship with St. Anthony's Parish goes back probably about 12 years, 15 years now, when we first acquired the Lithuanian Hall and renovated that. The hall was a building that was used for their school, for programs. It was used for different small businesses in the neighborhood, and we were able to renovate that and put it into use as office space and also businesses for the community.
So how did the renovation of Lithuanian Hall, how is it different from the situation of many other old buildings in Detroit?
So Lithuanian Hall is the first core and shell LEED certified renovation in the city. And Lithuanian Hall is the first core and shell LEED certified renovation in the city of Detroit. And what that means is we renovated in a way that was environmentally sensitive. So we used materials that had low emissions. We sourced materials that were going into the building that were within 500 miles. We put in energy efficient heating and cooling systems and really brought this building up to use for 2010, 2020. Modernized all the internal systems, electrical, heating and cooling.
So what things have there remained of the original building?
Yeah, a lot has remained. In fact, one of the real blessings to us in doing a building like this is how well it was constructed to begin with. So the great-grandfathers of the current Lithuanian population that are here probably were involved in construction of this building and the parish across the street, and they did an amazing job because the ceilings have a curved plaster ceiling texture, and that has lasted for over 100 years now, which is pretty remarkable in terms of ceilings in old buildings. So when we came in, the bones and the structures were solid, and we were able to tackle more of the mechanical systems and those things that just need to be upgraded.